Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from Look Fantastic. So if you want to see what's inside in Look Fantastic October 2022, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, if you're new to Look Fantastic, this is a monthly beauty subscription box. It cost, now they changed the price because I know it costs £15 a month plus the shipping fee, I think, but for exact price, lovelies, it's in the description box below because I don't really remember. However, if you subscribe to them for a year, it will cost you only £13, including the shipping fee, and you can get also a next day delivery too. So yes, and this month, lovelies, if you use the code TEMPT, TEMPT, I pop in here, you will get a free box. This month box, lovelies, this color is reddish one. As you can see, it says Look Fantastic Beauty Box in here, and then it says Give In to Temptation on the lid, and then also you will get your booklet as always. So let's see first the spoiler for next month, because I will definitely receive it because I subscribed to them for a year. And you will get, I'm not sure if you receive these two products or one of this product, but you will receive an Avant Pro Perfecting Collagen Touch Eclat Primer 30 ml and a Color Wow Dream Coat 50 ml. So here we go. This is the spoiler for next month. And for this month, lovelies, it says, here at Look Fantastic Beauty Box, we are all about bringing you small moments of indulgence with products that lead you to temptation. Sourcing products that we believe you will want to try every single product and have fun whilst doing so. It's like the temptation when your best friend says, don't look now, but you can't help but turn your head at the flash of a light to see what they are talking about. Well, we want to make you feel like that about your beauty box and strive to make it's a long one. Let's move on with the products. That's the more exciting part. You get the white tissue paper in here, and then you will get your products in here, and I'm glad that I received this one. So the spoiler for this month, lovelies, you will either receive this one or the candle, but I received from Rituals the Ritual of Sakura home perfume in the scent Rice Milk and Cherry Blossom. This is just a travel size, but lovelies, it smells gorgeous. I never can describe the scent of this product, but they smell gorgeous. Rituals product are my favorite one. I discovered them in Look Fantastic, and I love them, and I'm glad that I received this one. I will still be happy if I receive the candle, but I'm happy that I received this one. So yes, so this product, it's worth £5 and it has 50 ml, and if you want to buy this one, they pop also a QR code, and it doesn't say anything about this product too. So if you want to know more about all this product, lovelies, I did my lineup spoiler, so I'll pop on the top here. But yes, I love Rachel, so I'm happy with this product. And then the next product we have here is massive. I am not sure if it's a full size, I don't really remember. And this is from IsoClean Makeup Brush Cleaner. We usually receive this one as sample sizes, but no, we received the full size. I'm not sure if it's a full size, but it has 110 ml, so it will last me a lot. And you either receive this one, lovelies, or the makeup sponge cleaner, and this one is worth £8. And then the next one we have here, and this is from Course Night Brightening Sleeping Facial. It has 20 ml, and this one, it's worth £14.50, and try few course product loves, and they are really good. They're quite pricey, as you can see. This tiny product, 20 ml, it costs like £14.50. So yes, it has the sealed on, so I leave it. And this is for like in the evening, like a night cream one, which is I love like receiving night cream or sleeping mask. And then the fourth product we have here, and this is from We Are Paradox Moisture Conditioner. This is after shampoo, and this one has 50 ml. I'm really sorry, lovelies, I can't tell you more about this product, but as I said, if you want to know more about this product, I pop on the top here the link of all the description. But this one, it's worth £10.50. It's a conditioner, and I'll be honest, lovelies, few products from Paradox I like, but few items that I tried I don't really like. It makes my hair like attached to each other during the day, and I really hate that like feeling. So yes, I'm not sure about this one. I never tried the moisture conditioner, so I will try this one and then we'll see. And then the other product we have here, and this is from Magnetone London Wipe Out Wipes. We received this one before, and yeah, you have 2 pads in here. This is a reusable one. I don't really mind receiving other 2 because I use them a lot, and you can never have enough of this one because you use them, you need to wash them and dry them. So yes, you have 2 in here. This one, it's worth £8. And the last product we have here, and this is an highlighter from the brand Luvia. I know this is just like a sample size because this is part of a palette. Here we go. I broke it. I always break the packaging, always. So you got this shade here. Here we go, and let's swatch it. Oh, this is nice. I like it. Don't even know if you can see it, lovelies, but yeah, it's a subtle highlighter, perfect for every day. It's not dark, so this is good. And that's it. So that one, it's retail for £10.99. Wow. So that's it, lovely. So this month you will get 2 makeup pads from Magnetone London, and this is the Wipe Out Swipe. And then you will get a 110 ml from IsoClean makeup brush cleaner. And then you will get also the from We Are Paradox, the moisture conditioner one. And then you will get a deluxe sample size from Course, the night brightening sleeping facial. And then you will get a sample size from Luvia highlighter. So this is the shade. It's quite annoying, to be honest, lovely, with when you receive this kind of like packaging. I always break them, to be honest, but yeah. And also you will receive travel size from Rituals, the home perfume, or either the candle one, which is a travel size too. That's all for me, lovelies. For me this month, it's a good box. I got this box just because of the Rituals, and also the IsoClean one because I use this a lot, and also because of the wipes one because you can never have enough of this, as I said. And I'm so excited to try the Course one. And yes, overall, that's why I decided to subscribe, because of this product. And yes, it's like, for me, it's a really good one. That's all for me, lovelies. And you, what do you think of this box? Are you thinking to purchase it? And are you waiting for this box? So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.